Hey guys, it's your girl Melissa. I've been dying to do another Jack in the Box mukbang because I've been waiting to open something up for you guys for the longest time, but you're gonna have to wait and watch the rest of this video to see what it is. So I got myself a Jack in the Box Munchie meal, like one of those late night meals. So I did get it during off hours, so I paid a little bit more, and so instead of $6 I paid $8. But let me tell you guys what I got. So they package it so cute. Look at this. I hope they got my order right because I did customize my tacos. I've tried the Munchie Meals box before and they're amazing. I've had the sriracha burger, fantastic. I've also had the grilled cheeseburger, also fantastic. I'm trying the Chicken Tater Melt because my brother said it's his favorite of all the Munchie Meal boxes. So we're gonna give it a try. I hope it's good because otherwise I'm gonna be really, really sad. It's honestly a little bit smaller than I expected. Here it is. What is in it? A ton of stuff that will clog your arteries. So it's on a croissant with a ton of cheese, chicken, hash brown, bacon, ranch. Sounds delicious. It comes with 2 fries, the curly fries and then the regular fries, 2 tacos. I got mine without lettuce and then added extra cheese. But yeah, and then on the side, I got some ranch, buttermilk, and honey mustard. Let's take a bite. Cheers. This is more of like a breakfast sandwich, which I don't know if I'm craving that right now, but anyways. That is bomb. I like the cheese that they use in there. It reminds me of the cheese that they put on their loaded wedges. And the chicken is fried. You get the crispiness from the hash brown. I love the different kinds of cheeses that they put on it. Yum. I need to dip it in some sauce though. Oh yeah, you guys, and it also comes with a drink. I got a Diet Dr. Pepper, which I already took a sip out of it. Do you guys like Dr. Pepper? I feel like it's one of those things where you either hate it or love it. I feel like it tastes a lot like root beer, except I don't like root beer. Curly fries. I like that it comes with both kinds of fries. Gives you some options. This sandwich is actually really good. It's loaded. It reminds me of the Baconator sandwich from Wendy's, but I think this is so much better. If I'm not mistaken, there's 4 kind of late night munchie boxes. There's one other one that I have not tried yet. It is the spicy nacho sandwich. I'm telling you, one of the cheeses that they put in there is so good. See, I knew they were gonna mess up somehow. They put lettuce in mine. I don't like lettuce in it. And I paid for extra cheese too. I wonder if they charge me. You know what? The last time I was here for a mukbang, they also messed up on my order. I didn't know until I got up to the window that you can order the late night munchie box off hours. So I was this close to making my own late night munchie box, like creating my own. If I made my own, what would be in it? Probably the loaded mini tacos, fries, jalapeno poppers, I don't know what else. Oh, probably their sourdough jack. One of the things that I'm excited to try in the next couple days are the black bean noodles. You know, the famous black bean noodles that every mukbanger, every ASMR artist, they eat that. I finally got my hands on some. It took me forever. I tried like every Asian market, no luck. So I finally found them online and it just shipped. I think I still like the sriracha burger the best. The only thing that's special about it is the sauce itself, because other than that, it's just a burger with curly fries in it. Anywho, it's almost Christmas. Are you guys done decorating? One of my viewers asked me to do, like, to film a vlog of me decorating my house for Christmas. And I like the idea of that. I like sharing that kind of stuff. I don't think I'll make a separate video out of it. If anything, I'll just like add clips in these videos, or follow me on my Instagram and I'll post stuff on there. What is on your guys' Christmas list this year? I'm trying to think. I'm horrible at thinking of things on call. Like throughout the year, yes, I do want things, but then come Christmas time, when people ask me what I want, I can't ever think of anything. I don't know. I'm kind of trying to focus more on things that I need versus things that I want, just because I have so much clutter at home. That I need to clean and get rid of first. So I don't want to bring more junk in, you know? I definitely miss seeing my extended family and stuff, playing games during Christmas. Like, we either always do Secret Santa or White Elephant, and what else? We always try to think of fun, different games to play, like the saran wrap game, the tissue box game. It's always so much fun because my dad's side, we're all hella competitive. So you can only imagine what Christmas is like. Okay, that was good, but I think I can make a more crackin' late night munchies box. All right, are you guys ready to see what I wanted to show you guys? Okay, you ready? Here it is. It's just something fun that I got. I want to say it's been like a month or so now, probably even longer. I always take my husband's knives. Okay, drum roll, please. How do you open this thing? Oh. So cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like a month or two ago, Jack in the Box released these chicken scented masks. Basically, it was free. It was just kind of like first come, first serve. It was a limited stock. And so I was able to cop one of them. And I've had this sitting around in my room for the longest time. But yeah, I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys. I think it's really cool, like the packaging and everything. Kind of reminds me of a pie. Let's smell it. So, oh, that's interesting. So it says, insert the chicken scented disc inside the mask. Step 2, smell the chicken anytime you wear your mask. Step 3, snap a pic and tag Jack in the Box. That's weird. Where's the disc? Wait, I'm so confused. Where's the disc? Did they not give me a disc? Oh, Here it is. That's so weird. All right, I'm just gonna open it. I don't feel like that smells like chicken. You guys, something's really wrong with my senses. I always have a hard time smelling things. I freaking can't really smell anything. Okay, that's a fail. But anyways, let's try on the mask. I like it because it has these adjustable straps, so it'll fit anyone. What do you think? Isn't it kind of cool? Yeah, that's all that was. Sorry, it wasn't that exciting. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see this face again. Keep it yummy. Mwah.